classroom in London has gone completely teacherless, ditching face-to-face learning for an entirely AI-led form of education.
Yeah, the principal of the school says this approach ensures every student receives a personalised experience tailored exactly to their needs. While some believe this will transform a broken system, others fear it's the beginning of the end of education as we know it.
They're two quite varied views, aren't they? Well, for more, we're joined by Dr. Jo Orlando, digital wellbeing expert. Good morning.
Hi.
Where do you fall?
Look, I think AI is definitely in education already. It's already in learning apps and assessments, and because it's such a big part of our world, it's got to be in education even more. But I think most parents and teachers wouldn't feel comfortable with a child in front of their AI all day, headphones on, quite isolating. You know, we want kids to be healthy, well-balanced.
We always talk to, grown-up kids and they say, my maths teacher had a huge impact on me. My English teacher changed my life when I did this class or that assessment or whatever it is. Is that going to disappear?
I think we need teachers more than ever. I think our world has become really complicated, hasn't it? And we know that kids are feeling it, mental health issues, stress, and teachers do so much more than just instruct. We've all had that great teacher who's made a difference. So they know when there's personal problems, when kids are sick. We definitely need them more than ever. I don't think teachers are going anywhere.
So how can they most utilise it?
Well, one of the big skills that have been pegged for, future jobs is critical thinking. So we don't want AI to do all the kids' answers because they're not learning anything then. So it's about using it in ways that help that. So just an example, say your child can't get through a maths problem, they cannot work it out. Rather than getting AI to do it because they're not learning anything, take a screenshot, put it in, show me where I'm going wrong. Helping to unpack it, or getting AI to give you some information, putting it in your own words, and then unpacking it. Critical thinking is like unpacking. What's missing? What do I still need to find out? What could I add to it? What else could I ask it? Using it as like a thinking partner rather than do it for me kind of partner.
If some teachers aren't willing to go with this evolution of being able to utilise AI in some capacity, is that going to be to their detriment?
It may be. I think as schools move forward, I think teachers are, right now, they're doing a lot of professional learning around how to use AI, but how to use it well, ethically, responsibly. Kids can also get in a bit of an echo chamber with that. So it's keeping up their skills. So when kids are online, they're actually teaching them how to use it well. That's the role of the teacher.
Yeah, just a few years ago we were banning it. Now it's not banned. They're just learning how to use it.
That's use it well.
Yeah. Thanks, Jo.
Thanks for coming.